Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install advanced garage script by Zloma scripts into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you around 25 euros. You just have to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. Also, you need to download the dependency of the script, which is QBCore. The link will be in the description below. You just have to click on code and download this as well. After downloading them, we need to extract the files into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting them over here. Just like this. Now open the garages folder. Now here we'll find a SQL folder. We just have to open this folder. Now install the SQL according to your framework, as I'm using QBCore framework over here. So just double click on the QBCore SQL. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on run. After that, open the config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. Over here, you can configure all the police jobs which are in your server. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And these are the configurations for impound lot. There are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default garage script from your resource. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's open the Zloma garages admin panel. For that we just need to type /Zloma garages. So this is the admin panel over here. Now let's create a new garage. Now here we need to give a unique name. So I'll be giving it a name of legion_garage. Now over here we have to write a display label. So here we need to select the garage type. Just click over here to open the drop down menu. We will get 4 options over here. First one is for private garage, second is for public, third is for organization, and fourth one is for infinite. So I'll be selecting public garage over here. Now in the fourth step, we need to select the vehicle type. Just click on this drop down menu. Here also we will get 4 options. First one is for cars and ground vehicles, second one is for aircraft, third one is for boats, and fourth one is for all vehicle types. So I'll be selecting cars and ground vehicles. After that, click on next. In the second step, we need to select the location for the garage. Just click on this pick location. After that, you will get this user interface over here. Now let's select the location. So I'll be selecting over here. After that, press E to confirm the location. Then click on next. Now in the third step, we need to add a pad or a prop. So let's click on this option. By pressing up down arrow, you can switch between pad or prop. So I'll be selecting pad, and with the left right button you can switch between pads. So I'll be selecting this pad over here. Now with the Q and E button you can rotate the pad. Press enter to confirm everything. Now in the fourth step, we need to add a spawn point. Just click over here. Now with the WSD we can move the location. All the controls will be shown in the below, and with the help of C button you can switch between vehicle and player. Now we have to press enter to confirm everything. Then click on next. In the fifth step, we can add helicopter spawn point. So for this video, I'll be skipping this part. The sixth step, we can manage the store radius. So I'll be keeping it on 10. In the seventh step, we can configure the blip. If you want to show blip on map, you just have to turn it on. From here, we can select the blip color and you can scale the blip from here. So I'll be keeping them default for now. Now in the 8th and final step, it will review everything which we have created. After that, click on create garage. So our garage has been created over here. You can see the blip as well. Now let's interact the pad with the target eye. Then open this garage. So for now, it is showing no vehicle found. So I got both of my vehicles here with me. Now let's interact the pad. Open the Legion garage. So both of the vehicle has been listed over here. In the bottom section, we will get the details of our vehicle like name, number plate, status, fuel and the vehicle damage and the kilometers. So by clicking over here, you can pin your vehicle's current location. Now with this option, you can give any nickname to your vehicle. So I'll be giving it a name of Lambo. So the name has been changed over here. Now with the third option, we can share our vehicle with any player. So from here we need to select the player which are nearby. Now with this option you can set up the duration for the person who can have your vehicle, and these are some other access over here. After that you just need to click on share. Now the last option is for setting. Here you will get the list of everyone who have the access on your vehicle. So I got a new car over here. So now let's park this vehicle inside the garage. You need to reach the area where you created the spawn point. After that, get out from the vehicle, use your target eye, then click on store vehicle. Now from here we can take out our vehicle by interact with the pad. And you can see both our vehicles are available over here. Now let's take this vehicle out. Just like this, you can take your vehicle out from the garage. After that, you can park your vehicle in the same way. So that is for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.